Welcome to DJ's Preston Sports. So I just thought I'd give you a quick video of this lovely Jaguar 2.2R Sport Estate that's come into stock. It's just literally arrived. It's not even been valeted yet, and we know how quick these go at this price range of mileage. Won't last long. So the private plate actually stops with it, or we can take that off. That's not a problem. We've got front park distance control, gloss black alloys. Paintwork's all absolutely lovely. Rear privacy glass, rear park distance control. Does have a reverse camera as well. As you can see, even without being valeted, it's in lovely condition. Inside the car we've got electric windows, electric mirrors, half leather Alcantara, no wear on the bolster there. Paddle shift automatic if you want, or just normal. Just start the car up. Got all the climates, open and close, reverse camera, heated seats. Don't want them on today, they're working. Satellite navigation. The GPS is working there. Climate control, that's lovely and cold, that is. Cruise control. Ports and a USB. It does need a good valet though. At DJH, we provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.